One of the things that makes forchining so revolutionary is that it works with your CNC instead of being a standalone process. After the initial forge, we don't need to move to another machine to finish the part. This means we can use the precision of the CNC to our advantage. Look at this stanchion we're prototyping for a client. That's not a head shape we have a die for. We could design it in CAD and send it off to be made into a die, but that takes time and money. And what are the odds we'll be making a head like this on a regular basis? So, we looked at the tools we already had and used Polygon milling to create this unique shape. That's the beauty of forchining. It takes a tool you already have and makes it better. If you'd like to know more about forchining, give Allied Titanium a call.